Hello, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is one of my favorites. This is the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Stock number is T20033a1. Take notice on your virtual video walk around the exterior condition here on the passenger side as we make our way down. Absolutely impeccable condition. No dings, no dents, no scrapes. This Hyundai has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. It's kind of a tongue tire, but you get the point. Don't forget about warranty protection for life, oil changes for life on qualified vehicles. Let's take a look at the interior. Full power options, power windows, cruise, tilt, of course, easy access, one-touch control panel. Does have the moonroof, as you can see. So for more information on this Hyundai or any other vehicles in our inventory, call us, email us, or give us a text. We'll be happy to answer any questions. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.